Hello and welcome. This tutorial is going to cover how to add employees into the system and manage them in your Client Admin Center. In order for your employees to be able to sign off electronically on safety lessons, My Learning, and submit forms, you must complete this step. To add employees, click on the Employee Management tab from the dashboard and then select Add Employee. This will open a fillable page to add your employees' information. Everything that has a red asterisk must be filled out. And remember to change inactive to active at the bottom of the page. Middle name, email, and mobile number are optional information. Email and mobile number will be used if you want your employee to receive notifications that a scheduled training is due or certifications are about to expire. Once the information is filled out, select Save. This will take you to the Manage Employee tab. On this page, you can see all of the employees currently in your system. If you need to get here from the main menu, click on the Employee Management tab and then select Manage Employee. From here, you can inactivate employees by clicking the green box under Status. After clicking the green box, it will ask if you want to inactivate. Click OK. The box will now be yellow. To edit an employee, click on the pencil to the right of the employee. This will open it up so you can edit the name, ID number, department, and add an email or phone number. If you need to search for a specific employee or by a department, you can use the search bar at the top right corner. Simply type in the employee's name, ID number, or department they are in. The system will filter automatically.